Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. You guessed it. I am back to teach you another line dance. Instructors, always going to bring those line dances that you can easily call out on the floor, and your beginners, those that are just walking in the door, can catch, and you can keep your class moving. It is called Rock Steady. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. No difficult steps in this dance at all. So it's perfect for your novice beginners that comes into your class. You don't really have to stop. Just call it out. And if you see that they're having difficult with something, just move from the front of the room, go on the side, and make that correction. I dance side by my students. If they're having a little trouble with something, I identify something, recognize they're having a little trouble, I move from the front of the room and just go stand by them, call those steps out, and they can easily pick it up and make those corrections. Okay, if you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. And if you're interested to the music, let's dance together. How about my lunchtime crew, y'all, the shenanigans? So y'all still dancing? Let me know. Leave me a comment and I'll post the demo. Let's dance together. And here we go, guys. So let's start on this wall looking in this direction. The first step is real simple. We're starting with those rocks, 8 rocks. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy enough, right? Beginners, we just bringing our weight, just shifting our weight from side to side 8 times. Shifting to the right first. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to move up. Step dip on the right, step dip on the left. So you're going to hold that for 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to walk back 4 times. Right, left, right, left. So you step on the right and hold for 2. 1, 2, left. 1, 2. Then walk back single. Right, left, right, left. So let's put that together. 5, 6, rock it for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so when you step up on your right and your left, come back on that right. Right, left, right, left. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, rock it for 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going to pivot, making a quarter turn to our left. And we're going to pivot twice. So I want you to take your time. Right, left, right, left. So you're doing right here. You got four beats. So you don't have to rush to get there, okay? Right, left, left. Roll right, roll left, roll right, roll left. Okay? So we go here. Step forward on that right. Right, left, left. So it's step pivot. Step, pivot, step, pivot. You're making a quarter turn to your left. It's the next wall. So you got 4 beats. You don't have to rush. When you rush, you're going to be standing at that wall waiting for the next movement. So take your time. Right, left, left. Roll right, roll left, roll right, roll left. Stomp, clap, clap. There's a nice little pause in there. Right, left, left, pause, clap, clap. And the dance starts over. So let's put it together. And I'm going to give you the count, okay? 5, 6, 7. Rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step dip. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and step pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you pause it, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You pause, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you pause it for 3 beats. Okay? Let's do that again. Rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step dip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Step pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 3 beats you hold. Stay still. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll, 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 roll. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And your weight is on the left. I will put the weight on the left because you're going to start off with that rock on your right. So let's do it from this wall. 5. So check this out. I know I'm going slow. You're like, this is so simple. Why she's taking so long? Because this is a beginner's dance. So remember when you first came in the classroom, you didn't know any terminologies. Some people don't really dance. This is for them, okay? So this channel provides a little bit for everybody, okay? So I always want to be mindful of those that's just coming. They're so intimidated, instructors, you know. They're intimidated when they come in and they watch out on YouTube, they watch out on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, and it looks so easy. But then when they go to class, they get very overwhelmed. So I always want to offer a platform where they can come and learn at their own pace and not feel intimidated. So thank you, instructors, for always referring your students to my channel. I appreciate you. So let's go here. 5, 6, 7. Rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, that's a dance. And we start over again. My weight was on the left when I went 10, 8. And my right heel is up, and I'm going to roll to the right and do the same thing. And notice I start on this wall. So the dance move counterclockwise is a 4-wall dance. You're going to do the same thing at each wall. I would love to hear from you. Let me know how you think. That's rock steady. Some of y'all guys might be doing a dance to rock steady already, but there's nothing like just changing the music up already, okay? Okay, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for your comment. I thank you for your encouragement. I thank you for your patience. And I'll see you in the next video.